So how good is the 2019-2020 Mustang GT auto rev match? In my opinion, this is such a good feature that comes with the car from like stock factory. It's really fun to work with, and better than downshifting on your own for sure. This is great for manual beginners, like if you want to learn how to downshift on a perfect rev match. This is a great way to learn. I love it. I love this fucking car, to be honest. Especially the auto rev match it came with. I was surprised because at first I didn't know what it was. And I asked the guy that for the dealership, I was like, why is it like, downshifting like at warm RPM without me like rev matching it? And he didn't even know either. So I was like, damn, I don't know if that's good or bad, So I did my research and I found out it had auto rev match. So I was like, oh, what? Hell yeah, that's cool. So yeah, this is a really good feature it came with. I like it a lot. Like I said, it's really fun. It works with basically any downshift. So watch, I'm gonna lower down the window a little bit. Right now I'm in second, but I'm gonna go to third, and I'm gonna downshift to second, so you guys can see how good the auto rev match is on this car. Watch, hold on. Here we go. Watch. It's freaking amazing. It sounds so good too. Like, it saves me some time from like downshifting on my own and trying to rev match it on my own. So it's a really good feature I like about this car, to be honest. So yeah, overall, if I was to rate it like from 1 to 10, like the timing on the rev match will probably have to be like a solid 9.5 to 10, because that's how good it is. It rev matches it at the perfect time you want it to be as well. So yeah, it's a good feature for this car, and especially for beginner manual drivers. If you want to learn how to rev match, definitely a great car to start with for sure. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, put that like button, comment down below if you have one, and what's your experience and how you like it on your car. So yeah, also if you're trying to do like some races in Mexico, this auto ref match is perfect.